Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's tutorial I will be changing this style that you see on my model's head. I will be changing it to another style for you guys. So this gele, I tie it in my previous tutorial, so today now I'll be changing the style for you guys. You can twist this gele, you can change it to another style. No need of you losing everything. You can just twist it. You can just lose it and change the style and twist the style to another one you want. So that is what I'll be doing now. So as you can see now, after removing the other hand, I use office pin to pin it down. Now I'm going back now with the same other hand I remove. I'll be creating pleats there now. You can create as much pleats as you want. I'll be creating like round pleats there. So after creating my pleats, I'm still creating pleats now. I'm still creating my pleats. You can create as much pleats as you want, guys. You can create as much pleats as you want. So after doing that, I'll be using office pin to pin it down at the middle there. Just look at what I'm doing, guys. This gele is very tricky, but if you look at it very well, you will see that it's very easy for you to tie. So I call one of my students to hold it down there for me. So now I'll be twisting the remaining arm. Now I'll be using it to create like a rose there to give it another look. So now I'm creating like a rose now. So guys, just look at what I'm doing carefully. The gele is very easy, guys. It's something you can easily tie by yourself. So something that you can easily tie. So all you just need is assistance from your model or call your students. So that is it, guys. As you can see, it's giving me another look now. You can rock this gele to Owambe parties, to church, to any event you want. You can even tie it for a bride that want to get married. So guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. You can send me any gele picture you want me to tie for you guys. So love you guys. That is it about the look. So I'm trying to adjust it there. So love you guys. Bye.